A very good morning to all my wonderful children. I'm Savita ma'am from Sanskriti School. When you're happy, when you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy, when you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy, when you know it, and you really want to show it. When you're happy, when you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy, when you know it, show me your smiles. When you're happy, when you know it, show me your smiles. When you're happy, when you know it, and you really want to show it. When you're happy, when you know it, show me your smiles. Oh, lovely children. So nice to see you all smiling back. Oh, so we are again back here, children. And what do you think? I don't have anything here. So you must be thinking, ki, what ma'am is going to do again? Oh, that's why, children, I sang the song. I thought you will remember that last time when we met, I told you about different organs and different body parts. And then we sang these two songs. There was one more song that I sang. I hope you tried listening and tried learning it. Okay, so today, children, I thought I wanted to talk to you about something that makes me very happy. That makes me very nice. Okay, so you want to know what it is. Okay. I told you that there are many organs that are outside of us. We can see them, and there are many which are inside us, children. And you can't see them, right? You can't see them. They are working tirelessly for you without resting for even a second. They keep working for us. You can't see them, children. You can't see them. But you know, children, there is one organ that you can not see, but you can feel. You understand the meaning of feeling? When it's your birthday and your friends come and everybody sing the birthday song for you, how you feel so good, right? That is feeling. Sometimes you feel very happy. Sometimes you feel super happy. And sometimes you feel not so happy. And sometimes you feel sad. And sometimes you feel even more sad. Right? So, this all happens, children? Sometimes we are happy and sometimes we are sad. That's all right. So, I told you that there is one organ that you can not see but you can feel. So, do you want to know what it is? Okay, so for that, I need silence all around. So, if the TV is on, please switch off the TV. Ask everybody to be quiet. Quiet. Now, children, show me your right hand. And now, keep your right hand here. And feel. See if you can feel something on your palm. Yes? Can you feel something? Some kind of a sound or some kind of a beatings, something like that? Yes. Okay. So do you know what it is? Who is doing it? That's your heart, children. Yes, that's your heart which is doing it. And your heart makes you feel so many things. Sometimes when daddy comes from office and as soon as he comes, he picks you or he gives a hug to you. You feel so good. That's your heart that makes you feel so. And sometimes mama says, I have made something your favorite, I have got your favorite ice cream. Then you feel suddenly so good, so happy. Yeah. So your heart makes you feel that. And children, when you go to school sometimes and when your friends share with you many good things. Suppose it is a Wednesday and you have got, mama has given you a roti bhaji because mama, I must have forgotten, and your friend has got pizza. And then you look at your friend's tiffin and your friends offers a slice of pizza to you. Then how do you feel? You feel so good and you feel like like, going and hugging your friends. Such a beautiful friends you have. So your heart makes you feel that. And sometimes children, when you are suppose going out and you see that there is a very old lady, and she is walking on the road with a very heavy bag. She can't walk, but that bag is so heavy and she's walking. Then also you feel something, right? You feel, oh, you feel like going and helping that old woman, and you go quickly and you say, Ajji, Ajji, मैं आपका बैग पकड़ लूँ, can I help you? So again that feeling comes from your heart. Sometimes you must have seen children when you are going in a car with dad or mom, and the car stops at the signal, and you see some children, very small children, and they are not very good. They don't wear sufficient clothes, and वो पैरों में चप्पल भी नहीं पहनते, और धूप में they just walk like that. Then also you don't feel so good, no? You feel very sad when you look at them. Yes. So this also, your heart makes you feel all that. So there are all these feelings, children, that you feel. So your heart makes you feel all those feelings, right, children? So it's wonderful to children, look around and observe everything that is there. You can't help it, no? Sometimes you feel sad, but we can't do anything about it. That's all right. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we don't feel happy. So your heart, but children, when you look around, and when you observe, and when you suppose you are looking at that old woman and you are feeling very sad about her, and that feeling, your heart fills with love. Yes, every time you observe something, when you feel for somebody, your heart fills with love. Yes, and your heart can take this much love. You cannot even think about it. It can hold so much of love. So and how will that happen? Just as I told you, that when you go and when you see a plant, it's all dried up and the leaves are all droopy and like that. The flower is so dry. You quickly go and you pour some water to the plant, and after some time you see that the plant is again looking so fresh after you water it. No? So these small acts, these small things that you do for others, for plants or for birds, when you give water to the birds come and they sip the water and so happily they sing a song, then that fills your heart with love. When you share your things with your friends, and when you play happily with everybody else, all these things, children, fills your heart with lots of love. Oh yes. Suppose you go out for a picnic by a riverside, and you look at that river, beautiful river, you hear the sound of the water. All these things are very important, my dear children. So that's what makes you who you are. Okay, so all these body parts, of course we have learnt about it, and the body parts that is inside us, and this one, the heart, that beats inside us, and that is ready to take love, lots of love. It can hold so much of love, and when it happens, you become so beautiful, you feel so beautiful, and you feel so good, you become so loving. Children? Yeah, so that's what you are. So when you say myself, so that means myself means I, and all these things that helps me who I am, and all those whom I love, whom I take care, all they all become your part. Then you become, when you say myself, that's what you are. Okay, children, right? Oh, that was so nice to tell you all that. I hope you tried to understand that, children. Did you get it? Did you know what I'm talking about? I'm saying that love is a beautiful thing. So let's love everything around us, right? Okay. So So I will end with this song. You have heard it earlier. Can I sing it again? Just 2 more lines, not much. Love is something that you give it away, 'cause it comes right back to you. It's just like magic pen. You hold it tight and you won't have any. Lend it, spend it, give it away, 'cause it comes right back to you. Oh, that was nice. I love singing this song, children. Right? So that's all for today. Go and have a loving day. Goodbye.